Y'all can see my wire for the third brake light, and then the rear deck board is back here. So first thing first I gotta do is make sure I gotta make sure I have this piece on the right side, which I'm gonna put on this side, and then on this side I'm gonna have it turned the other way. So first thing I gotta do, like I said, is sit this in here, and then after I sit that in, just like that. Oh, this is gonna be so fire. Sit this on. So I gotta scoop this out some. So I gotta sit this on, and then, ooh, I hope it's gonna sit in there right. So that seemed about right like that. And then what I gotta do is grab my screws, which are here. Like I said, the speakers did come with screws and hardware. So grab those, drill them through the board, and that should be it. And then I should be able to slide it back, you know what I'm saying, however I need to. So that's the plan. So what I'm gonna do, what's up guys, it's your boy Deuce, back with another video. And y'all see the title, man. I'm excited, man. It's time. So I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to wire up the speakers today, so I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow morning, wire them up, and then I might do the test video. If not, y'all gonna have to wait, but we'll see. You feel what I'm saying? We'll see. We're gonna go ahead and mount them though, and y'all can't even see it in that rear deck though. We're gonna go ahead and mount the speakers in the rear deck, man. I am very excited. Like I said, just to see them in the rear deck, just for me to get that visual. And then, like I said, we are literally 2 steps closer to having the full music system fully finished. You feel what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need your help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Post the video, post the channel on all social media platforms across. Help me, you feel me? Help me out, you feel me? Try to help me out, you feel me? It don't hurt you, it don't cost you nothing, it's free. And tell your family and friends to come subscribe to your boy, you feel what I'm saying? So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure the speakers came with hardware, you feel me, with the screws. So I'm gonna look and see if the screws are in there, and I got my drill already ready, you feel me? So we can, like I said, just drill the speakers into the rear deck, screw them down, and that's it. Then the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and put my third brake light in the next video. Then the video after that, we're gonna wire up the speakers. So yeah, I know it's a lot, but like I said, we getting there, you feel what I'm saying? We are getting there. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all as soon as I get to the back of the, well, in the back seat. I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, back here now in the back with the rear deck. Like I said, y'all can see my wire for the third brake light, and then the rear deck board is back here. So first thing first I gotta do is make sure I gotta make sure I have this piece on the right side, which I'm gonna put on this side, and then on this side I'm gonna have it turned the other way. So first thing I gotta do, like I said, is sit this in here, and then after I sit that in, just like that. Oh, this is gonna be so fire. Sit this on. So I gotta scoop this out some. So I gotta sit this on, and then, ooh, I hope it's gonna sit in there right. So that seemed about right like that. And then what I gotta do is grab my screws, which are here. Like I said, the speakers did come with screws and hardware. So grab those, drill them through the board, and that should be it. And then I should be able to slide it back, you know what I'm saying, however I need to. So that's the plan. So what I'm gonna do is sit y'all. Actually, I gotta take my flashlight off. Slide that off. Alright, and then I'm gonna sit y'all up here on the seat like this. Y'all gotta be still for me, you feel me? Don't move. Y'all gotta be still for me. There we go. I told y'all gotta be still. Alright. That seems like that will work. There we go. Alright, so now I just gotta be careful and drill these screws in. Dang, it's not squeezing down like I need it to. squeeze down just a little bit more. Alright, that might be good. Let's try and squeeze that in there. Alright. Now, that might work, man. That might work. Ooh, y'all sitting down too far. Alright, that should be good for y'all. Now I gotta try to get these screws up in there. I'm gonna have to pull the board back out to put the back two in. I just wanted to make sure this was sitting right before, you feel me, with it against the window, before I go ahead and pull the whole board out. Go ahead and get through there. Come on. I might have to undo that screw a little bit. Now, get in there. The fruit. Don't tell me I gotta take this screw all the way out. There we go. Alright, now I can try and squeeze this one back in there. And then let's start this one. There we go. And then get this one down. Alright. That's good. Right there. That is perfect. Look how that's sitting. Now let's go ahead and get this other speaker up out of the packaging with the cap. And like I said, for the passenger side, y'all see, kind of. Let me try to turn the flashlight on. That helped early. Not really. Not really. Actually, it will. Because y'all just smacked me in the face. It will help if I do it like that. So, like I said, this side I want it facing this way so I can get to the other speaker. I mean the amp. Straight up like that, you feel what I'm saying? Alright, get that to sit in there, pull it out a little bit. And then my speaker cover. Squeeze the speaker cover. Just like that. And then try to let it sit. Let's hit it low. Look like it's hitting over there. Alright. I think that'll work right there. Dang, y'all just sliding and falling and I'm not paying no attention. I'm sorry, y'all. I am truly sorry. This to go through, and get this one to go through. Come on, there we go. Now let's screw it down. There we go. Just like it. Now we got both speakers, as y'all can see, mounted back here. And then like I said, y'all know the third brake light is gonna go here. So what I wanna do now is actually pull this out some so I can try to. Goodness, it's stuck on something. Ooh, my bad, y'all. My bad. I'm not paying attention, man. Now, like I said, all I got to do though is screw the back part of the speakers, which I don't technically have to, but I want to. If I can't get the speakers out, then I'm not gonna worry about it. But yeah, that's the plan, man. Let me go ahead and try and finish this up. As y'all can see though, both of them are in. Like I said, if I can't get this board back out with this, yeah, see, it's getting caught over there. I might have to cut that some more because my hole ain't lined up right. Don't know. Cause yeah, the speaker not sliding out easily like I thought it would. But yeah, let me see what I can figure out. Try and get this done, then I'll come back to y'all. So give me 1 second, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I finally got it up in there. Got everything sitting right and flush. And let me turn my light on so y'all can see. As y'all can see, speaker is back. This one, I think what I'm gonna have to do is unscrew it and then try to slide it forward a little bit. Just gonna have to try it, you know what I'm saying, because I need this board to go back a little bit more. It's not going back the way it's supposed to, you feel me? It's supposed to go back more, especially for this third brake light. So what I think I'm gonna have to do tomorrow is unscrew it and then try to slide it forward and then see how it's gonna fit, you feel me? Like I said, I just need to slide it forward just a little bit. I can't go back and cut on this board no more because I already wrapped it. But this side fits perfectly. As y'all can see, everything is perfect on this side. It's just this side. And I had to go back and cut the frame a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Actually on both these sides, just so the board to go all the way down with the speakers in. But yeah, other than that, it is in there. Like I said, I'm sorry I can't go all the way up, because y'all don't know, or if y'all know, my camera got a light and a mic on the top of it, so it's hard for me to go all the way up without hitting the roof of the car. So, but yeah, that's how we gonna look, man. I think it looks fantastic. Like I said, all I gotta do is wire them up. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, like I said, unscrew that and then try to slide it forward a little bit. That way I could push the board back some. If I can't slide it forward, honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But like I said, I'm gonna try and see what I can get done. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, I'm gonna fix it off camera. But next video will be putting the third brake light in. Then the video after that will be wiring both of these 6x9s up. And then we're done. And we got us a custom little speaker board like the box Chevy, but the box Chevy has 4 in the rear deck. This car has 3. So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. Leave y'all opinions in the comments. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I told you, I was excited to get this done. Now I gotta cover this whole car back up because I done took everything off of this car. I gotta put everything back on this car, and I'm not gonna clean up the car this video. I'm gonna wait till when my tie rods come in. That's when we're gonna clean out all my tools and everything out of this car, put the center console back down, you feel me? And I ain't gonna say button it up because I can't really button up the car if it's still not nowhere near complete. But like I said, when my tie rods come in, and well, my tie rod kit with the sway bars, bushings, all that stuff, you know what I'm saying, when everything come in for that front end so the car quit shaking, then we're gonna clean out, you feel me, some of this stuff that's up in here. And yeah, that's really it, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, it's supposed to come in this week, and whenever we get ready to drop this car off, then we're gonna do that, you know. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the 6x9s. Like I said, I'm gonna button it up, get everything nice and neat off camera, but I'm running out of daylight, so I can't really do that today. I gotta go ahead and cover this car up, and I'm gonna come out here tomorrow morning, and we're gonna try and get everything, like I said, finished. Throw the third brake light in, wire up the speakers, and that's it. The music system will be completed, you know, it'll be finished. So like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell all the way. Y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel. Share this video road to 5,000 subscribers. So I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel. Share the video. Subscribe if you're new. Post the videos on the channel on all social media platforms. Tell your family and friends. Come subscribe. Come rock out with your boy. You feel me? Just tell them to subscribe even if they don't like car content. Just tell them subscribe to the channel for me. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, like I said one last time, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna try and get them both in one angle. Let me know what y'all think about the 6x9s and the custom rear deck, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna end up having to make another board, most likely when my seats get done, you know. I'm gonna probably have to make another board, which don't bother me. I just wanted them in there for now so I can really get a really good visual of how it's gonna look. So like I said, might have to make another board, might not have to, but I'm gonna fix that side so that board will go down on that side. Y'all can see it's flush on this side, but that side the board is like poking up a little bit. So like I said, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that off camera. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.